Hi, I'm Roger with Minuteman Heating and Air. Did you know that landscaping can play a part in heating up your home? Avoid landscaping with lots of rock, cement, or asphalt on the south or west sides of your home. If it's not shaded, it'll increase the temperature around the house and radiate heat. And every little bit counts when saving on energy. If you found this video helpful, please like, tag, and share. If we can help you in any way, give us a call today at 817-563-1660.